I'm traveling here from Erbil to Suleymanyeh, and I usually pick up hitchhikers. You know, this is Ahmed, and he is a student of sports science.
Nice to meet you, Mr. George.
Here we are. Oh, don't call me Mr. Just call me George.
George.
Right?
Okay, George.
Alright, see that? That's a checkpoint. Alright, I just went through hell with these people. They just pulled me over. This is the second checkpoint, military checkpoint I go through on my way from Erbil to Suleymanyeh. And in this one, they took my passport and they started yelling at me, screaming like in their language. I'm like, what the hell is going on here now? And I thought somebody told me that as long as I say I'm American, and they would be very, very nice. Everybody would open doors and everything for me. Well, the reality is another. Basically, the Kurdish people is not happy with America because America let them down, I guess. They hate Trump, and therefore, so they passed me through the second office. I went through fucking hell trying to explain myself. I don't even fucking vote, for God's sake. So they ended up giving me coffee, and at the end they were really, really nice and let me go and everything. So no problemo. They're building a bridge over there, or they're extending the dam. I have no idea, but I'm just passing by this beautiful dam. Oh, that's why there were restaurants in the other side of behind me. They drive like shit here. Seriously, if I was driving like an Iraqi, I would be dead right now. The snow in a curve, we're up in the mountains. There's this big rig. It was a deja vu because I had an accident in 1982 like that. And there's a line of cars coming on a curb, blind to me. The big rig, there's a fucking car passing. And he saw me, I saw him. I'm driving very slow, very conservative, and I jump on the brakes very slow because I don't want to skid in the snow and the ice. And the idiot brakes in front of me, and I was gonna go this way, and I saw him going that way, so I stood in my line slowing down, and he just went off the fucking cliff. Fuck it, I just kept on going. These people tend to drive, you know, it's like they're afraid of this edge right here. So they drive naturally to the center, you know, to the center. And when this is a two-way line, they're riding already on you're coming and they're riding on your side. Very fucking dangerous. In Turkey, the same thing. So you know, if you drive in those countries, you gotta know your shit. You gotta know what the fuck you're doing, because you fucking die here, seriously. I don't know if it's a military something, but I'm not supposed to be filming that shit. But anyways, I don't see guards. It's a beautiful country. This part of the world is amazing. It's freezing. It's very cold. And then in summertime you're gonna die roasted by the heat. So I'm almost there. I'm like maybe 30 kilometers away from my destination. So let's keep on going. I'm just stopping to see the beauty of the mountains. every checkpoint has those. So I made it to Suleymanyeh. The mountains surround completely this city. I'm still at the entrance of the city. There's the people warming up and stuff. And as always, I pick up hitchhiking people. I got a couple of friends from Kurdistan here that came in also from Erbil. I picked them up at the entrance of the city.
Welcome.
Thank you. Spaz. Right?
Yeah.
And here we go. Let's see how's this city. My second city in Iraqi Kurdistan. In the center of Suleymanyeh. It's beautiful. With the background of the mountains in the back. Of course. Background in the back, of course. It's fucking beautiful. Alright. Looking forward to have a great time here.